everybody. I just posted a new short, and you can buy a FNAF. I'm a big FNAF fan, so I'm gonna make FNAF music once I learn. As soon as I know how to animate. But now I'm having fun making shorts. I should make a video soon, but I just moved into my house, so still under work in progress, so get it sorted. That's why I can only make pictures, shorts with pictures now, because it's not really clean. But yeah, soon I'm gonna have a green screen and stuff. I'm quite tired.